Welcome to our channel. Today we how to configure EV charging cost calculator using Google Sheets step by step clearly. Open Google Sheets in your web browser. Create a new blank spreadsheet. In cell A1, type electricity cost per kilowatt hour. In cell B1, enter the cost of electricity in your area. In cell A2, type battery capacity, kilowatt hour. In cell B2, enter the battery capacity of your electric vehicle. In cell A3, type charging efficiency. In cell B3, enter the efficiency percentage as a decimal. In cell A4, type total cost to charge. In cell B4, input the formula to calculate the total charging cost. The formula is equals B1 asterisk B2/B3. Press enter to see the calculated result for total charging cost. To make it more user-friendly, select cell B4. Go to Format in the menu and choose Number, then Currency. In cell A5, type miles per kilowatt hour. In cell B5, enter the efficiency of your electric vehicle in miles per kilowatt hour. In cell A6, type total range. In cell B6, input the formula to calculate the total range. The formula is equals B2 asterisk B5. Press enter to see the calculated total range. To ensure this is clear, select cell B6. Go to Format in the menu and choose Number, then Number. Now, for better organization, consider applying borders around your data. Highlight the range A1 to B6. Click on the borders icon in the toolbar. Choose to add a border around the selected cells. For easier navigation, you may want to freeze the header row. Click on View in the menu, hover over Freeze, and select one row. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.